cat hairs get stuck in there way too quick.
You think?
Yeah. Stop taking pictures of me.
I'm not. I'm recording you.
Even worse.
Why?
Why are you doing that?
'Cause.
Alright, look, it'll look a little bit and then I'll have the hair do it.
I just mopped. There shouldn't be any hairs. I just think it doesn't have enough traction on the floor. I can't believe I got that. Maybe you need to charge it again. That thing's never really been good on staying charged. Try charging it again.
How long does it take to charge?